This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good morning all of you. So we are continuing the purchasing transaction. Okay. So already we have seen document category, right? Purchasing external purchasing document and internal purchasing document. What is external? What is internal? Can anyone tell me what are the external purchasing document and what are internal purchasing document? Yeah, tell me, Yusuf. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the internal purchasing document, external purchasing document. See here, purchase requisition is only internal purchasing document. Understand? Internal purchasing document is only purchasing. Rest everything B, C, D, E, F all are external vendor purchasing document, including the PO also. Understand? Quotation
Yes,
goes
sir.
to external vendor, right? Quotation is nothing but bidding, tender. So we'll provide tender not internally, that is outside, right? So you need to understand
Yes,
this
sir.
all terminology. So external vendor purchasing document quotation, PO is external because this goes to vendor, outside vendor. Whenever it is going outside to vendor, that is external. Contract also goes to external vendor. Scheduling agreement also external because this is internal purchase requisition. It will say internally whether stock exists or not. If a stock exists, then internally you will manage. Otherwise, you will convert the internal purchase in document to external. You transfer the convert the PR to PO. I shown you how to do that, right? Okay. So and also we came to know the regarding the item category. Item category document type. Okay, so we have all for internal or external purchase document type. So document controls what? Document type controls. This is also interview question. It is a control function at header level purchase document. It controls the following number and this field selection, right? Which item category to be allowed or not. Already I've shown you how, like if you select NB document type, then item category will be different, right? If you select any other document type like UB, let's say for example here, I'm selecting uh, this is PR. So let me go you to PO, which is external vendor purchasing document, ME 21N. So here see, as I told you, document type controls what? Number ranges, field selection, which item category to be allowed or not. Let's say for example, I'm taking here NB, right? NB means so many item categories will be open. See, this is I, item category I means, okay? Consignment, subcontracting, third party, okay? And stock transfer and services, right? But if you select a document type, let's say UB, that is SEO, just now in inventory management we have done. So here only item category will be showing us you only, stock transfer. Only you. Understand? Who is controlling this? Item category. Which item category? Who is controlling this? Document type. If you select document type UP, item category will be like this. If you select document type another, let's say for example, you select document type like FO, framework order. This is for specially for service PO, right? So here, document category, item category will be limited. Service PO. Already I've shown you how to create the service view, right? So document type controls what? Which item category to be allowed or not. Okay. Understand everyone? Which item categories to be allowed on? Any doubt? Huh? Yeah, tell me.
No, sir.
Madhulika. Hmm. Purchasing document category is different. Document type is different. Document category, don't get confused. Sometimes they may ask in interview. What is the purchasing document category for PO? So F. Okay. You need to tell the interviewer F. Purchasing document category for RFQ is A. Okay, purchase document category for purchase requisition B. This you need to understand. So already I covered in part one. Now coming to down, go down. This already I covered in my part one. So now we'll learn in detail regarding the purchase requisition. So it is which is internal purchasing document. Okay. So here we are. So what is the T code? ME51N. Okay. So go to ME51N. Already it is open. So I'm closing this. Yeah, this is the PR ME51 and create purchase requisition. Okay, so here document type NB. Here also in P also we have a document type NB, and here in PR also we have document type NB, which is the standard one. provided by SAP. Okay, I selected this document. SWOT determination. So if you select this checkbox, what will happen? So here, we are learning in detail purchase acquisition. Till now, we just created the purchase acquisition, but not learn in detail. But each and every field, what is the importance we are learning here? We are covering here in purchasing transaction. Okay. So if you select this SWOT determination checkbox, what will happen in the background? If we set this indicator, system will determine sources of vendor for all items from source, so from quota arrangement, source list, contract, or info record. Okay, let's say for example you have created the source list. Okay, so let's say like a note, if you do with source list, then create source list with ME01 T code and click assign sources of supply in item level and see the different vendors for that material. Also make a source list checkbox selected in purchasing view of material master. Much as the material master also source list checkbox we need to select. Then assign source list to plant. Okay, with OME5 T code. Also create info record with vendor and material combination with ME11 T code. Then only, I'll let you practically, I'll show you. Okay, so what I will do, we'll try to create the source list with ME01 T code. Okay, so open a new session. I'm going to ME01. Okay, so I'm creating a source list. So let's say I have so many material, I'll use some material here. Uh, let's say I'm using for different plant material by description. I'll use 3000 because so many material I've created in 3000 but not in 2000. So here I'll take some material. Okay, I have this zinc. Okay, 1448. Okay, and plant I'll give here 3000. Click enter, and here value from it will ask. These are the mandatory fields you need to fill up. So here let's say from today onwards to, let's say, for 1 year or 6 months. Okay, this depends on the business requirement. So let's say I'm taking here 31st. Okay, vendor. It will ask the vendor also. Let's say as of now I'm taking 3000 vendor. Purchase or also obviously it will be 3000. Or else you can practice in your own plant. That is also possible. So and here fix and block. You can fix this vendor or you can block this vendor. Okay, you can block this vendor also. BLK is block fix. So here see already I have given here in my notes and assign sources of supply in item level and see the different vendors for that material. Okay, so as of now, I have not taken different vendor. Even I can take multiple vendor also at a time. I can take another vendor also, but single vendor I'm taking as of now. Also make also make source list checkbox selected in purchasing view. Okay, so here as of now I'm saving this. Okay, source list is changed. Maintain source list. I have maintained the source list. Now what I will do, I will what is the material I've selected? MA02. Let me check. 1448, right? The material which I have selected just now. Am I right? Yeah, 1448, right? This is what the material, right? Madhulika, are you people there or not? Tell me yes or no, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so 1448. So here see also make source list checkbox selected in purchasing view of material master. So here, why I'm going here because I need to go to purchasing view to select the source list checkbox. Okay. So this is the purchasing view. Okay, so I'm going there. So take here 3000 plant 0001. Click enter and go to purchasing view. Okay, so this is what the purchasing view. And here see you have uh, source list. This is what. Okay, you select this checkbox also and save it. Okay, in material master source list checkbox we have selected. And then what? Then assign source list to plant with OME5 T code. So I'm going to OME5 now. OME5. You need to assign. The source list already we have created. Now assign, like just now 3000 we have created, right? Right, Yusuf? Ehsan?
Yes, sir.
Akshaya. So this is, yeah. So see, this is source list. Okay. So here, you need to select the checkbox. You are assigning this. Okay. Save it. This is the configuration. Whenever the TR number comes, that is configuration, SPRO part, not any transactional data which runs with the transaction code. This is the configuration settings. Okay. I made this 3000. Okay. Also create info record with vendor and material combination with M11. So I'm creating the information record also with ME11 T code. So ME11, click enter. So vendor and 1448 already is there, and this I need to take here 3000. Okay, and the standard one plant I've given. Click enter. Vendor, yeah, vendor is 3000, not 2000. Okay, so vendor also I'm changing 3000 vendor. Information record, info record. Okay, so mandatory fields you need to fill here, like a planned delivery it will last, so I'm giving here 2 days, and net quantity let's say 100. These are the mandatory fields which is there in checkbox check mode. Net price I'm giving here 100. Okay, and task code also you can select. Task code, anything like exempt also you can take, and save it. Okay, now see what will happen if you select the sort determination. Then what we are saying, wherever sources of supply, if you click, let's come back and again come in. So I'm going to ME 51N. Okay, if I select this source determination, what will happen in the background? I'll show you this. Okay, let's take same material 1448. Okay, and I'm giving you quantity 10, and these are the mandatory fields. 3000 store location 0001. Okay, click enter. See, sources of supply, this is what in sources of supply you will find that vendor, which vendor, which we have maintained in source list. What is that? See, automatically this came. You understand? Zaid and Madhulika, Akshaya, Ehsan. You understand? Fixed vendor 3000. And also we have created info record, information record. This is the info record number. So this is what the benefit. You understand? So if you are selecting the source determination, it may you will find in sources, in source of supply you will find number of vendors. So fix in that case, because here in source list I maintain only one vendor, right? You can even maintain multiple vendors in the same source list. So as of now I maintain only one. So what we are saying, I need this zinc only with this vendor, only with this vendor. That is what it is. You understand, everyone? What is the importance of source determination? Sometimes they may ask interview, especially for freshers. These are the basic things. You should become strong. Like daily you need to practice. And try to create some 10, 15 purchase acquisitions. Plug and play, like source determination. You select the checkbox and see background what is happening. Okay, so then only you'll understand it properly. Yeah. So this is what the benefit. If you select the source determination, automatically this fixed vendor comes into picture in source of supply. Okay. This is what I mentioned here in the notes. Yeah. So account assignment category. So here see this is A. In P also we have this account assignment category, and item category also we have in PO, and we also have in purchase acquisition item category and account assignment category also in purchase acquisition. So If what is this account assignment? So many, this is the standard, right? NB we have selected. So for NB, so many account assignment categories there. So like now we learn what exactly it is. It will specify to which consumption GL account material value has to be posted. Here, if line item is required for consumption posting, then only enter account assignment category entry here. Note, in consumption procurement, material number is optional. If line item is required for stock purpose, then maintain account assignment category as blank. So always it is most of the time it is blank. And then that is for stock purpose. But if you are selecting something here, then that is for consumption purpose. Okay. Yeah. So in consumption procurement, material number is optional. If line item is required for stock purpose, then maintain account assignment category as blank. In where tab and GR item level, storage location does not exist because it is not for stock purpose. In where tab, in GR. So for example, if you select a account assignment category, something, let's say for example, I'm selecting, let's say for cost center, okay, or else project I can select, or unknown. Let's say cost center I'm selecting, okay. That means this is going for consumption purpose, okay. And while passing the GR, in where tab, no storage location will be there. That is what it is. I mentioned here, okay. At the time of creating the GR, I'll show you. In where tab in GR item, storage location does not exist because it is not for stock purpose. Note, for stock procurement, material number is mandatory. Okay. So here, let's say I have created this. Click enter. Let's say first I'll try to save this. Yeah, cost center, because I selected account assignment category. Okay, as a K, it will ask the cost center. So in real time, who will create this cost center? This is cost center is purely created by FICO consultant. Like Rupesh, like Rupesh already. The very good thing is Rupesh already learned FICO. Now he is learning MM. So he's having a good idea how to create the cost center. So, like some people will be there. They are called in the market as multifunctional consultant because MM, FICO, HD all are functional consultants. So when you will become when you have more than 2 to 3 modules, if you are expert, then you are called as multifunctional consultant. But don't become multifunctional right away. First, try to work in one area, like in MM. At least work for 2 to 3 years, then you go for FICO, or it depends on your wish. If you want to learn more, because SAP is like an ocean. So for MM, you can even learn FICO. Depends on your like on your expertise. If you're perfect in a GL account, if you're commerce graduate, you can even go to FICO, learn FICO, or like WM is also there, warehouse management, or you can learn SD, and you can become multifunctional consultant. But as per my experience, if you learn, if you are multifunctional, don't ever think that you will get double salary. You will get the same salary, but you have to do a lot of work, because the manager will say, "Oh, you are expert in FICO as well as MM also. So this guy is having more knowledge. So put more tickets to him. So you will get FICO tickets also. You will get MM tickets also." So as my experience, since 10 years, I'm only into MM only. So many people will say, "Why don't you learn WM? Why don't you learn FICO?" It depends, on my wish. I know if I learn, then what will happen. That's why I don't want to take any headache. I'm getting salary, I'm happy. That's it. But everyone have a different story, different, perspective. They want to become multifunctional. Your wish. I'm not saying that don't learn other model, but this is my experience. Okay. Yeah. So now cost center in real time created by FICO. So I know for 3000, what is the cost center? It is 1000 ready made. But this in real time, this is purely taken care by FICO. So if you are selecting this account assignment category K, cost center, then you need to give in account assignment tab in PR. You need to give the cost center also 1000. Okay, I'm giving this and save this PR. Okay, so PR is created. So 100135575. Okay, this is the PR. Now again, what I'm doing, I'm taking the same one. I'm opening. I'm putting this. This is in gray mode, right? Why this is gray mode? Because if you see the transaction, it is ME50, though it is ME51N, but this is in gray mode. Means this is ME53N. I can even edit. I can make it as ME52N. Display change. If you click this will become in white mode. Now I can change this. Okay. So account assignment category. So now my material is for consumption purpose. Okay. And at the time of creating the GR, I'll show you in where tab storage location will not exist. Okay. For stock procurement, material number is mandatory. Now, how to customize account assignment category? So I'm going to OME9 transaction code. OME9. Account assignment category. Okay. It will specify to which consumption GL account material value has to be posted. Here, if line item is required for consumption purpose, then only enter account assignment category here. So here OME9 is the transaction code. So sometime like as per the business requirement already in real time, whoever is purchasing SAP software from Germany, account assignment category will never be blank. It will be whatever it is showing here, it will show there also. Okay. In real time also same as account assignment in real time. Same account assignment category already exists. We can define a new account assignment category also. Let's say select any one account assignment category like third party and click detail button. So here I'm here see so many account assignment categories are there. So let's click one like third party. Already we have finished this third party in where in special procurement process. I'm but not for Madhulika, but my old students, like Zaid, right? We have already finished a standard like special procurement process where I covered consignment, subcontracting, right? Pipeline, and also third party. So you select any account assignment category and click the detail button here. Okay. Yeah. Now here observe selected control functions. Just observe it. Don't make any changes. Account assignment changeable. Account assignment changeable at IR invoice. Okay. Delivery cost. Consumption posting V. Account modification VAX. Okay. And see here this field asset sub number sub area. This will be showing like this. Okay. Just observe it. Page up, page down, nothing. This is the last page. If a page down is there, then here it is. Okay. Because this is in gray mode, that means only this one page only I have. Yeah, oh no, sorry, it is there. See here, page down. Here you can see commitment item, cost center. Okay. So you can just see page down. Totally, 8 pages are there. Just observe it. Okay. Go back now. Item category. It refers whether the material is for standard PR, consignment, subcontracting, or third party. Now enter the below details in line item of purchase requisition as follows. So already we have taken the PR and we have saved the PR number also. Okay. So we have given the material, quantity, plans to a location. Requested by is also there in the PR. Let me show you. This is the purchase requisition screen. So requested by. So here it is. Requisitioner is nothing but you can give your name like Madhulika. So you can give here requester name Madhulika. Click in item. Now I'm going to item material data. So here see it is. So here it is. In item you can collapse this and you can expand this. Okay. Header also you can collapse, you can expand. Okay. You can collapse this, you can expand, collapse and expand. So now I am expanding this item. So in item I have material data. Now see here in material this will come because I have taken here in line item of the peer I have taken material. So this material will be showing here. Short description, this is coming via material master, right? At the time of creating the material we have given the description zinc. Batch, because this batch management we have not created, that's why batch number is not there, right? Material group also coming by material master, right? Because if you double click this it will redirect you to material master. This is what the speciality. See here, material group already at the time of creating the material we have taken 004, that is nothing but chemical. 004 chemical, right? 004 chemicals, right? So this is also coming via material master. This is mm03. If you double click directly it will redirect you to mm03, which is nothing but display material. Okay, so again go back. If you go back then we are coming to PR. Okay, so this is what it is, material data. Now coming to quantities and dates. So whatever quantity we have given here, 10 quantity, it will show here 10. Okay, delivery date, today's date, is all. Okay, plan delivery, how this is coming, plan delivery, this is also coming via material master. Plan delivery time or via info record, because in info record, information record we have given plan delivery date also, two days, right? How to check that? Already we have created the info record, right? So if you double click this info record, see this is info record. Okay, if you double click this it will redirect you to info record me13 display. So here see already we have given here plan delivery time 2 days. Okay, it is coming like this. Okay, go back. Yeah. So closed and fixed ID. What is the use of this? What is, if I select this, what will happen in the background? Now I'll show you. See, closed ID, fixed ID. If we select this indicator, then system will not expect further PO even though PR item is having open quantity. Understand? Close. That means we are not expecting any more open. It is not showing as in your whenever you take reports. Sometimes your manager will ask you. You are means the end user who are working in a company. They will ask the end user to uh, take a report in this month. How many open PRs are there? How many open POs are there? In that case, if you select this checkbox, then it is no more open PR. Open PR means still we are expecting some stock. Okay. So if it's closed, if you set this indicator, then system will not expect further PO, even though PR item is having open quantity. So now as of now, open quantity is 10, right? But I'm selecting this closed. That means I'm not expecting any, the system is not expecting any open quantity. 10. Understand everyone? Yes, son? Yes, son. Zaid? Madhulika? You understand? If you select this close, then what will happen? Tell me, yaar. Tell me, guys. Yusuf,
Sir.
you understand? If you select this checkbox, what will happen? It will not expect the quantity as open 10.
Yes, sir.
The system assume it is closed. It no more expecting any further quantity. That is the importance of this close. Okay. If you select this checkbox, yeah. No fixed ID. If any changes are done for MRP generated PR item, then this indicator will be selected automatically by the system as an information to us that somebody did the changes for this MRP PR item. Example, I have given this. If you want to see, you can do this. Okay, otherwise not required at all. Yeah, this all cycle have given this MRP, this MD04. But just remember, if anything changes happen in MRP, then this will trigger automatically fixed ID. That's it. Now plan delivery time. So plan delivery time. This is 2 days, right? So it can be copied from info record, as I told you, or material master or vendor master. Here delivery date can be calculated automatically with purchase processing time plus material plan delivery time and still editable for delivery date. I can still edit here. Instead of 2 days, I can make it 3 days. But it's not like fixed one. Okay, I can edit also. Now coming to valuation, this valuation tab. We need to give the valuation price, but why this is coming directly? I have not entered manually, right? So how this 95 is showing? Because I maintain the amount in info record, information record. See here it is. Info record already I maintain ME11, right? So this part already I maintain my amount as 100. But if you are not maintaining any info record, then you need to give this manually, okay? But I maintain this. That is why it is coming via info record. Goods receipt, yes, goods receipt is there for this PR. Invoice receipt, yes. GR non-validated, no. Okay. Goods receipt. If we set this in a system, will expect GR for this item. Note: if account assignment category is blank in PR item, then this material is for stock purpose. But I maintain account assignment category as K cost center. And if account assignment category is not blank, then it is for consumption. So this my PR is for consumption purpose. GR indicator is grayed out in select mode. Okay. In line item, if account category is maintained consumption purpose, then GR indicator comes in edit mode, not in gray mode. That is what it is. Okay. So coming to now invoice receipt. If we set this indicator, system will expect invoice and payment for this item. So here invoice receipt, this checkbox, what will happen? If you set this indicator, system will expect invoice and payment for this. If IR is unchecked sample procurement, then that is free of cost, right? No need of paying to vendor. If you are unchecking this, that means no need of doing Miro posting. Then invoice and payment not possible, and total item quantity comes from vendor with free of cost. Okay. So scenario I've given: first PO, total stock; second PO, so and so; third PO I've created GR, total stock. Okay, variable is this. Okay, like these scenarios are there different. You can create the PO. Okay, otherwise you leave it. Source of supply. Now coming to account assignment, nothing but like account category reference which we selected in A K. It is showing cost center, right? Distribution single account assignment. Company code 3000. Okay. GL account, general ledger account. How the GL account is coming via OBYC. Just now recently we have covered the topic AAA, triple A, automatic account determination, right? So business area and this cost center. You need to, if you select this account assignment category K, then you need to give the cost center which is mandatory. Okay. So here it is. Now coming to source of supply tab in PR. If source determination selected at header level, then source vendors will be determined automatically for all line items. So here see, this is coming fixed vendor. We have maintained source list with ME01T code, right? And also we have created the info record that is coming here, okay? If sort determination is not required for all line items, then uncheck sort determination at header level. So you need to uncheck this. If you don't require this, uncheck. If you require this, select this checkbox. Okay, in sources tab. Then for that item only, vendor will select from quota arrangement, first to priority or source list or contract or from info record. Okay. If you are not selecting this source, if you uncheck, then again the system will check if any info record is there. If info record is there, it will come here, info record. Again, it will select the info record price. Just now we have seen here valuation. This price is coming via info record. Okay, first priority, second priority, like this. So customizing source list. How to customize? So in real time also source list is there at plant level. Like we need to customize OME5 is the uh, part. Like OME5. Let me take you to OME5. Already we have customized, right? For 3000. This checkbox. This is the configuration as I told you. Note, if we select source list indicator at plant level, then for all this plant, all material source list records are mandatory, irrespective of source list is selected or not in material master. In material master, if you are selecting the checkbox or not selecting doesn't matter. But source list will become mandatory for all this plant. If source list is not selected at the plant level, then in which material master source list is selected, for that material only source list record is must. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to status tab in PR. So this is the status. Okay. So this is coming. Processing status. Not edited this one. It specify what is the status of PR item. Any RFQ is there. What is RFQ? Request for quotation. This is nothing but tender bidding or PO or contract is created for this item. It is selected automatically by system only and it is for report purpose only. Okay. Blocked ID. What is the use of this blocked ID? Not block by requester. Okay. Blocked ID. If any item has to block for RFQ and PO process, then select blocking option here. Now coming to contact person. Like requisitioner, I already have selected it, Madhulika. Here it is, right? So whatever name you put here, it will show here. So she is the contact person for this PR. Okay. Creation indicator created by user. Creation indicator real time manual. Okay, like this. We specify how the PR item is created manually or via MRP or via APO. What is APO? Advanced Planning Optimizer. So another module is there in SAP, wanted APO consultant, which is nothing but Advanced Planning Optimizer APO, or via sales order or production order. It is selected automatically by the system only and it is for information purpose only. So this is selected automatically. We are not doing anything here. Okay. So as of now it is showing manual. Requisition, like requisition, Madhulika, right? So requisition is a person who requires this line item in our company. So she want this line item. Company means she is the end user, let's say, working for Tata, and she need this. Okay, that is what it is. Now coming to tracking number. If you go here, what will happen? Under this tracking number, all subsequent purchasing document RFQ, PO will be tracked or stored. It is for report purpose only. Note in MELB code, see the report tracking number wise. MBLB you can see. Okay, so let's say for example I'm giving here 1, 2, 3. Click here, save it. Go to MELB. Okay, see the report tracking number wise. Text tab, requirement tracking number. So just now I've given 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Like this I can track. This is my PR number. This is my material. Okay, zinc. Just now we have created. Okay, understand all of you? This is what how it works. Okay, tracking number. Okay. Yeah. So item text. Item text. In item text, enter any text about item, say item specification or technical details, say item specification. Okay, click item note. Okay, let's say for example I'm clicking this item note. So you can make a note of this. Like first to make it edit mode, then you can give here. Okay, item text. Okay, you can put something like item specification, any specification of this item like zinc, right? So provide any item specification details. Okay, you can put it over here. Item note, if you want to give some note about this item, you can give require zinc for production purpose. Okay, as soon as possible, like this. Delivery text is there, also there. Material PO text is also there. If you want to maintain, you can maintain. Okay, so that is what it text. Now coming to delivery address, where to deliver this zinc, right? So as I told you, first it will check the storage location. If storage location is configured along with the address, then it will you will get this material to storage location. If storage location address is not there, then it will serve the plant address. Okay, then it will deliver to plant. So it is how it works. Okay, like this. Delivery. Either line item storage location address first to priority or plant address can be copied as delivery address and still editable here. Note, daily purchaser will take open PR reports with this purchase group in ME580 code and he will convert that PR into RFQ or POs. Okay, request for quotation or purchase orders. Okay, logistic material management purchasing, this all ME5A. ME5A, you can see the list of PR. Okay, so list of PR you can see with ME5A. Go to ME5A, click enter. List of PR, how many PRs has been created. So you want to check, like from last month to this month. Let's say from first to today's date, how many purchase requisitions has been created. Okay, 13, execute. You can see number of purchase requisitions. So as of now, I have created one on 13th. Okay, 13 I've created. Oh, all 13 it is showing. Only one. Like this, you can see number of PRs, how many PRs is created. Okay, like this you can see with ME580 code. Okay, yeah. So this is what about the PR. Now coming to RFQ, request for quotation. What is this? It is an inquiry to vendor what price the vendor will charge, like bidding, tender. Okay, how to customize, info RFQ number ranges already it is there. So go to OM-6 and you check, already number ranges are there for this RFQ. So I'm going to OM-6, OMH6. Go here, number ranges for purchasing document. Click intervals. So already number ranges are there. In real time also RFQ number ranges already exist and normally not require new number ranges. Okay, back to MG. Don't do anything. Define document types. So if you want to see that, you need to go via the menu path. SP or OSAP preference MG, material management. Okay. Purchasing RFQ, request for quotation. Here it is. Okay. Define number ranges. Just now we have seen this. We went here and we have seen this already. Number ranges are there. So in real time also not required. Okay. Now define document type. So as I told you, document type for RFQ is AN. They may ask in interview. AN document type for RFQ. Document type for PO is what? NB. Standard I'm talking about. Document type for PR, NB. Document type for RFQ, AN. Okay? AN document type for RFQ. Already document type exists for RFQ. AB or AN. AB is also there. See here. Request for GB bidding. You can either say AB or AN. Both are RFQ only. Okay? Both are RFQ only. So we can see this item interval 10, number in interval 60. Okay, field selection ANA. So this is, settings already done. See, field selection ANA. Don't make any changes. Keep it as it is. Okay. Select document type AB whole row and click item allow item category. So here I'm clicking this AN whole row and clicking double click allow item category. So here see third party service subcontracting is showing for RFQ. Okay, you can see the item category also. Also check document type AN whole row and click allow item category. So AN and AB. Go back, select AB, allow item categories. Only D service is there. And if you select this AN, some 2, 3 subcontracting is also there. Go down. Define screen layout at document level. So I'm going to IMG screen, means main screen. Define screen layout at document level. Already field selection available in real time also. Based on requirement, we can define a new field selection here and later assign this new field selection to the required document type. Okay. So already it is there. So as of now, I'm not doing anything. Go back. Now maintain quotation. Maintain quotation OME5. Maintain quotation comments is there. Maintain quotation comments here. OMES. It is an internal command accepting or rejection, like rejection for price reason, rejection for quality reason, okay for price. You can configure your own, okay, as per the business requirement. Already it is there. Now, how to create the RFQ, request for quotation. What is the T code? ME41. Or you can go along with the logistic material man. Logistic, always remember it. Here it is. This is logistic. Okay, like this you can even go from here or directly. ME41 is the T code for creating the RFQ, request for quotation. Okay. RFQ can be created with reference to WRT, means with reference to PR or outline agreement, or directly without any reference, means manually. RFQ type, as I told you, document type. RFQ type is nothing but document type AN. So this is the interview question. What is the document type for RFQ? So by default, AN is coming. Okay, AN. Quotation deadline. Give the date. So deadline date, you need to give here quotation deadline. So I'm giving. Let's say my deadline date is 16th. Okay. RFQ. Purchase organization and purchase group plans to allocation. I need to give this all. Purchase organization, purchase group, plans to allocation. I've given this all. Okay. For creating the RFQ. Okay. Click. Reference to PR. Like as I told you, RFQ can be created with reference to PR, with reference to outline agreement. Outline agreement is nothing but scheduling agreement, or directly without any reference. Okay. Means manually. But since I have created the PR, so I will click with reference to PR, RFQ. Okay. In that case, you just click reference to PR. See, RFQ can, once again I'm saying RFQ can be created with reference to PR, with reference to outline agreement, or directly without any PR or without any outline agreement. Like I no need of selecting these two. Just click enter and save it. Give other details and save it. But I will click this reference to PR. What is the PR number? Already it is coming here. Okay. Yeah. Click this. Now I need to fill this collective number. Collective number. Let's say 3456. I'm giving 3456. Okay. It is an identification for the invitation of bids. This bidding process, all RFQs quotation maintained under the collective number. And later, this collective number, relevant quotation numbers, only RFQ numbers can be compared. Okay. Click enter. Select PR, item rows, and click adopt. So click enter. Item rows, select this whole line item, click adopt details button. Okay. Yeah. Then only it will copy or adopt PR item row details to PO item row. Click enter. Give delivery date after quotation deadline date and click enter. So here delivery date. This is what? 14th. Click enter. Please enter delivery date later than deadline date. Okay, so delivery date. I'm giving 17 here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Click vendor address button for each RFQ and select vendor one by one. So here see, now I need to select the vendor. So here it is. This is the address, vendor address. Okay. Click the address vendor, which vendor you need. So let's say I want for I'm giving this RFQ. I'm sending this to 3000 vendor. Just click enter. All information directly it will come. Okay. You click this vendor, all information will come and save it. So you'll get one RFQ number here. What is the number? Note down this number, RFQ number. Okay. Yeah, Zaid, you note down. What is the RFQ number? 8. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 0 or 6 0? 7 0. Yeah. What is the RFQ number? 6, right? Or 8? 6. And at last 1 1. Understand? So you're sending tender bidding to different vendors. Let's say you want this zinc, right? So basically, what will happen? You send in real time. Let forget about the SAP. Okay, but in real time, how it works? Tender bidding, how it works? Like you want in bulk quantity, right? So the company will send the tender to different supplier, right? I need this in 1 ton or 100 ton quantity of zinc. What is your price? What is your quotation? And based upon the RFQ, the supplier will send you the quotation. Okay, this is my price. My You can try. Even they will give you some sample also to try. Okay, so if you like, then you can select this. Otherwise, you reject. Just mentioning rejected due to price or rejected due to poor quality like that. Now I want to maintain this RFQ for another vendor. So let's say I'm giving 1,000 also. 1,000 is what? Germany, right? I want another German vendor. Okay, yeah, Berlin. Another RFQ number will be generated. Note on this number, Zaid 6 blah 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 0 at last 1 2. You want this to be maintained for another vendor. So let's say 2000 is UK, right? Click enter. Okay, 2000 have not been created for purchase organization. Why this error is coming? Because I'll show you. Open a new session XK02. This 2000 UK is not maintained for purchase organization. Okay, so this purchasing data is not there. So I am giving some purchasing data information here. 2000 has not been created for purchase organization 3000. Oh. Sorry. I need to change this. Not 3000. I need to give here 2000. Click enter and maintain some purchasing data like terms of payment. This all salesperson. Let's say Madhulika. Okay. GR based invoice verification. Something I need to maintain in purchasing data. Save it. Okay. So now again I'm going here. Click enter. So it is coming like this. So what I will do, I'll go back. Okay. So RFQ, what is the T code? RFQ ME 41 and ME 42 for edit RFQ, right? So this number PR RFQ number is there. Click enter. Now I want for another vendor. Okay, so I cannot give here. Okay, so again I need to create ME 41 here. Okay, I'm giving this all quotation deadline. I'm giving the date. Okay, and plant 3000 reference to PR. I've given this PR number. Purchase to the not respond plant. Okay, so plant I'm maintaining for 2000 2345 collective number. So this is what it is. Adopt details, right? purchase order 2000. Yeah. So or else directly I will directly without any reference I'll create the RFQ, right? So go to ME 41 or without RFQ can be created with reference to RFQ, with reference to PR, with reference to outline agreement, or directly without any reference, right? So without any reference, I'll do. Purchase organization have taken this. Okay, plant. Click enter. I give collective number 2345. Click enter. I give the material 1448. Okay, quantity. Let's say I need 100. Right, this all stuff. Okay, now not maintained in plan 2000. Yeah, 1448 is not maintained. So here we need to extend this 1448 to another plant, right? How you will extend? Already I've shown you. Tell me, Zaid, how you will extend? Any idea? Yeah, tell me. Simple, yeah. Go to MM01. Give here 1448. Yeah, and select here plant 2000. That's it. 0001. Click enter. Now it is extended. The material already exists and will be extended. Okay. Purchasing group you give here 000. Click enter. Enter, give other valuation area. Raw materials, click enter and save it. That's it. So 1448. So RFQ I have created for 1000. I have created for 3000. Now I am creating for 2000 also. So ME 41 is the T code to create the RFQ. Quotation without any reference. I am creating collective number 2345. Material 1448. Right. RFQ quantity 100. Click enter. So here delivery date I'm giving 17. Select the whole row. Give the vendor different vendor 2000. Click enter. Click enter and save it. So that means three RFQ I've created, right? 6000 blah blah 11 and 1213. Okay, Zaid? Are you there? Hello? Zaid, are you noting or not? Madhulika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so how many RFQ I have created? Three RFQ. That means, yeah, you can mute yourself. That means I have created three RFQ requests for quotation stating that I want 100 kg of this zinc. Okay, what is your price? What is your quotation? Now let's assume based upon the RFQ, the different supplier means three. 1000, 2000, 3000 has given you the quotation. So after RFQ, what is our next step? Maintain quotation. Okay, so note down the RFQ number. So 111213. You can also give communication method fax as well as printer. Both are possible, but vendor master has the fax number. Give the fax number here, okay, or else leave it blank. Now print or transmit RFQ to vendor. Let's say ME9A. You are transmitting this RFQ number to the supplier with ME9A T code. So ME9A message output. Okay, so here I'm giving print RFQ to vendor. So enter RFQ number. Okay, so I'm giving here 11 first right? Vendor is 2000. 1 is for 1000, right? If I'm not wrong. $1,000, right? Yeah. So application is purchase requisition by default, purchase group by default, message type blank, transmission medium, transmission time spot blank. Okay, click execute. Or else send immediately also you can give execute. No suitable purchase document found. Why? 1 vendor is 1000. What is the document type for RFQ? AN, right?
Yeah.
Document date is today's date. Okay, execute. No suitable purchasing document found. Why? 1, 2. 1, 3. So here see you need to select this all three. Okay, click output message. So let's say for different supplier, 3000 is New York, or 2000 is 1000 is Berlin, Germany, and 2000 is GmbH UK. So this went to the supplier, different supplier. Okay, yeah. Now maintain quotation. Select checkbox, right? Already we have done this. Observe print based on output NAU. Okay, okay. Click back green arrow and click output message button. So already it is there created. That's it. Now maintain quotation. Let's say they have the different three supplier. They have received that RFQ, request for quotation. Now they have given you the price. So go to ME47 now. Maintain quotation. ME47. Okay. So first I'll give 1 which is I think 3000, right? Yeah, plan 3000. Okay. So maintain quotation. Okay. In item row, enter net price as per vendor quotation or select whole row and click item condition. So I'm selecting this whole row. Okay. This is the item condition button. See here. Item condition. So this supplier, he is putting some freight also. Let's say, or he is giving some discount. Okay. So this you can maintain here. Let's say discount he is giving 2%. That is also capturing here. Okay, go back, right? Oh, and if right is there, this all like I've given this and save it. Observe updated info record ME13 if you want to see the observation. Otherwise leave it, save it. Similarly I want to maintain for another RFQ. This is for 1000 Germany. So here they have given you a discount of, let's say, 5%. Save it. Another RFQ. I'm maintaining the quotation 3. Select whole row and go here. Okay, and you can take anything like freight is there, freight percentage is 10%. Okay, and also discount you can take as per the business requirement. This is a, you can take anything. Discount value I'm giving here 100. Click enter, go back and net price become negative. Okay, okay, so I'm not giving 100 here, I'm just giving 10 here. Okay, yeah, go back. Oh, okay, and I'll leave this. I'm coming back, save it. So I maintain quotation. Okay, observe updated info record in ME13. Observe updated info record in ME13, plant and vendor. Okay, so if info record is there, you can observe that also. Go to ME11 or ME13, updated info record. Okay, purchase org 2000. So this is already updated. Info record and material does not exist. Okay, no issue, no issue. Chalo, leave it. You have not maintained. That's not an issue. Enter quotation price for all three RFQs. ME47. So with ME47, I'm maintaining the price. ME40 already we have maintained, right? Quotation. Yeah. ME49. So I'm going to ME49. Now here I'll come to know, like the company is seeing now a quotation price from three supplier. One is US 3000, another is 1000 Germany, and 2000 UK. Right? Price comparison. How, what you will do? Purchase org. So I'm for this 1000. For this 1000, enter the RFQ number. What is that RFQ number? Anyone? 6
Triple
11.
1213.
RFQ number.
That's 6 digits.
This is for 1000. No.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
13 for 1000. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Purchase of. Okay, okay. So price calculation include delivery cost, execute. No selection possible. Okay, 1 second. 3, execute. Quotation include delivery cost, execute. Okay. So delivery cost. Include this number. Execute. No selection possible. Why? Is it for 1000?
Yes, sir.
So why it is not coming? Okay, you can mute yourself. Oh, 1000. Okay, if I take 2000, quotation is, what is that number? Quotation number? 11. Collective number I've taken here. Execute. Okay, let me select with collective RFQ 2345. Okay, all entry fields it is asking. Okay, so purchase organization I'm taking, let's say 3000. Quotation also it is asking. Collective RFQ 2345. Let's say from 6 to 6 1 3. Let's say I remove this. 2345 collective number I've given. Entry fields. Okay, so 1000. No selection possible. Enter quotation prices for other RFQ also. Yeah, this already we have done. ME 49. One, two. No selection possible. Hey, yeah, what happened? Collect to RFQ is 2345, right? Okay, I'll give the whole this thing, 1000 vendor and material is 1448. Okay, and reference quotation, mean value quotation, minimum nothing, percentage nothing, maximum number of quotation per piece. Okay, include delivery cost if it is available. No selection possible. Why already we have maintained, right? ME 47. Are we missing something here? One second, let me come here. ME 40. Updated info record. ME 13. ME 47. We have maintained the net price, right? Yeah. Already we have maintained the net price, right? Enter quotation prices. That's in document for material number. Okay, one second. ME 47. Let me Start with 11. First one. Hey, 11 is 3000 vendor, yeah. Note on this. See,
Yes.
11 is for 3000 vendor. See here, it is already. We are giving something different there. 11 is for 3000 vendor and 12, let me check. 12 is for 1000 vendor. Okay. See, vendor 1000. Okay.
Yeah.
And 13 is for 2000 vendor. Okay. 13 is for 2000 vendor. Now we'll do this price comparison or comparative statement. Both are same. ME 49. I'm going to ME 49 now. Yeah, let's start with the 1000. What is the for 1000? What is that RFQ number? Tell me.
12.
12. 12. Okay. Yeah. Selection not possible. Select to RFQ 2345. Vendor is 1000. Material is 1448. And hey, why it is not taking? Okay, please enter either quotations or collective RFQ number. Okay, so I'll go with collective RFQ number 2345. Not possible. I'll remove this. I'll just put here 2345. Collective number. Oh, this is mandatory. Okay. Hey, why is it not coming? Please enter either quotations or collective RFQ number. Okay. The quotation is this one 11, right? For 1000.
No, 12.
12. 345. Vendor is 1000 and the material is 1448. Reference quotation is what? I think nothing it is there. No, not this one. And percentage based number of this thing include discount determine effective price calculation. Okay, let it be blank. Hey, why it is not fetching here? One second. So that means I need to check this info record maybe. Also updated info record ML 13 plant and vendor. So ME 13 for 2000 purchase org. Okay, let's take here 2000. Okay, click enter. Info record for vendor 2000 and material does not exist. Okay, so I need to create the info record also. So I'm going to M11 now. I'm creating the info record for all the three vendors. Okay, so 2000 I'm taking this one. Okay, so click enter. So I'm giving here 2 days and let's say here plan delivery is 2 days. Standard quantity 100. Net price let's say 100. Task code I can't leave this as blank. I can take anything like exempt. Okay. Uh, Chalo. Okay, like this. Click enter and save it. Again for vendor 3000. Vendor for 3000. Purchase org is 3000. Plant is 3000. Click enter. Okay. Info record already exists for 3000. No issue. And what about 1000? 1000, and I'm giving here 1000. Here also 1000. Okay. So this is not maintained in plant 1000. So in this case, you need to maintain. One second. Okay. So this 1448 not maintained in plan 1000. So that means I need to extend this material mm01 material 1448. Click enter. Okay. So plan 1000 store location 0001. I'm extending this because three different scenarios are there, right? RFQ we have maintained for 1000, 2000, 3000 different plants, different vendors. So that should, so that's why this 1448 should exist for all Hamburg means Germany as well as UK as well as New York. That also you need to take care. Valuation class. Save it. Yeah. Okay now. So here info record, I need to check the info record now. Go to M11. Click enter. 1000. Okay. So now I'm maintaining the info record also. And now plant delivery, let's take 2 days, and this is standard quantity 100. Okay, and this one is 100 net price. Okay, click enter and save it. Okay. Yeah. Now price comparison. There's also quotation price, everything I've maintained here. Let's check once again. ME47 I'm going. So each one I'll check once again individually. So this I'm starting with one. So this material is for 3000. Okay. I selected this and I've given this some conditions, right? Okay, go back and save it. And now I'm checking for another RFQ. Oh, I have not maintained the net price here. See, this is what I've done the blunder mistake. Okay, see, first one, if you talk about this one, I maintain this net price as 1000 rupees. Okay, let's make it 900. Okay, another vendor is saying I will supply the same zinc at 800 rupees. Okay. And if you want to maintain some conditions, you can give here. Like discount already we have taken, right? Discount quantity also if you want, you can maintain here. Okay. So I sorry I missed that one. That's why that is not coming. Okay, Madhulika.
Yeah.
Yeah, 13. See, net price I kept as blank. So this 2000 UK vendor is saying I'll supply this. Don't worry, I'll supply this in 700 rupees per kg zinc. So if you want to maintain some conditions, select the whole row and click here and take something like freight is there, freight percentage. You can take here percentage. Let's say 2% like this. Okay. So we have maintained this all. Now price comparison or comparative statement. Go to ME49 now. ME49. I give the collective number 2345. Okay, so for 1000, what is the quotation number, Madhu?
800. Oh,
No, no, no. 12, 11 or
12,
13?
12. 12.
12, 12. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. 1012 is there. Still, it is not taking. Why? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is coming now. See here. Price comparison list. So here rank 100 is there. Why? Means because this supplier is want to sell you in 700 rupees, right? 700 rupees. Okay.
Yes.
Observe different rates for vendor based on prices. The best vendor will create a PO for that vendor. For a particular item, select best quotation price and click save market price button. Then it will save this price as market price in database and later PO prices compared to this market price accordingly. Scores are assigned to vendor for vendor evaluation purpose. You can copy data. Okay, so in Excel also. So like this you can see this is this one 700 quotation. Select this. Yeah. So here 700 is there. If you want to reject, you can reject here. Reject indicator, rejection indicator. But if you want this vendor because you are liking because he is supplying you with 700, which is cheap and best as compared to other vendor, right? Yeah. So now I am going to another vendor. 2000. Let me check for 3000. For 3000, what is that? 3, 4, 5,
11.
11. Okay. So here it is showing as 873. Select this. Okay. Go to quotation. If you want to keep this, you can keep, or else you just reject this by selecting rejection indicator. Save it. Okay. Now go to another one. Yeah, tell me what is another one? 13, right? For 13, what is that purchase or 2000, 1000 or what is that, Madhu?
2000.
Okay, okay, perfect. So, hey, just now we have seen 700. This quotation. I want this, right? So, 1000, I think we have not taken for 1000. For 1000, what is that quotation number? RFQ?
12, sir.
Yeah, 12. 12. Okay, leave it. No issue. So I selected that vendor. So price comparison, I can do like that. Okay. Now, I have selected when best vendor. What is that? What is that vendor? 700. The price which is showing. Is it 1000 or 2000 or 3000?
2000.
2000. So 2000 vendor I have selected. So based upon this 2000, I will make the agreement. Let's say I made the agreement with the vendor. Okay, whenever I require the products, goods, okay, stock, then I'll raise a PO to you. What is PO? PO is external purchase document. Now here, let's say I have selected this vendor. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm I need this. I need to do business with him. Okay. So what I'll do first, I will convert the PR into PO. Okay. So I'm going to ME 21 NT code. Okay. And which vendor we have selected? Is it 1000, 2000 or 3000? The one which is 700 showing
2000.
2000. Okay, so here I'm giving this 2000 here, and I give the PR number here. See, here it is. Create PO to best quotation vendor and send rejection letters to other quotation vendor. Okay, we have rejected, right, by selecting that rejection indicator. In ME49, click enter. Select rejection. Already we have done, and click quotation button. Then it will take to ME47 item row. Select rejection indicator. Click message. All we have done this. Okay. So this rejection will go there. Okay. And again we are we are sending that rejection letter with ME9A. You can do this. Okay. That's not an issue. Then ME21N. What is PO? So PO is external purchasing document, right? So let me just to show you how it will convert. So you can even give the RFQ number here. What is that RFQ number, Madhulika? 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 for this 2000 vendor. Tell me that RFQ number.
13.
13. So PO can be created with reference to PR, with reference to RFQ. This is also interview question. So with reference to RFQ, we are creating the PO. Okay. Yeah. Click enter and save it. Net price 700 is coming. So this is how it works. Okay. So now again we know, right, GR, we need to create the GR and then IR. Okay, like this it is. Okay then, so we'll continue tomorrow the rest of the topic. So that is tomorrow I'll show you PO, purchase order. Okay. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay then, we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.